Hi, my name is Jessica Raz. I am a physical education teacher and coach in the Wyoming Valley West School District, and I live in Kingston, Pennsylvania. I think softball it's part of who I am. At this point, it's part of my personality. I am the person that I am today because of sports and playing softball. It's always been something in my life that's kept me on the right track. In 2008, I was a freshman at East Stroudsburg University. I was there on a softball scholarship. In November, I was diagnosed with leukemia. I went through 2.5 years of chemotherapy, and the chemotherapy caused a vascular necrosis in my joints, specifically my hips. When I lost softball, I just felt like I lost a piece of me and part of who I was. I was in a lot of pain. I was walking around on crutches. The doctors at Rothman were able to set me up with a hip that was able to get me back to the lifestyle that I was living. I finished my chemotherapy in April of 2011. Rothman was able to do my surgery in May of 2011, so a month later. I did the summer of rehabbing, and I was able again to play college softball in August of 2011, so it was only 3 months off the field. I had a bilateral hip replacement, which means that I had both of my hips replaced. I'm so grateful for Rothman because we had so many opinions that told me that I would never be able to get back to the field. So when my doctors at Rothman were able to tell me, you know what? No, we'll be able to get you back on the field. It was a relief. I am doing exactly what I want to be doing in life. I want to be coaching softball. I want to be teaching. I want to be teaching other people the game. Thanks to Rothman, I'm really able to do the things that I want to do. Rothman specializes in hips and knees so that I can specialize in coaching and softball.